Welcome to the fifth episode of the lazy bed press exercise. In this video, we are going to teach you how you can heal and treat your upper back pain, especially one that arises between your spine and the shoulder blade. And if this area is bothering you too much, then you just need to do this exercise to heal yourself completely. Lie down with your tummy downwards into the couch and your elbows bent and beside the body. And from this position, what you have to do is just push your elbow and forearm down into the couch and bring your upper back up. Do not extend your neck or spine. Hold this position for 2 to 3 seconds and just go back. And do this for 5 repetitions. After you have done this for 5 repetitions, just relax. Start opening up your elbows, moving it away from the body, and repeat the process. And this again have to be done for 5 repetitions, and then again you start moving the elbows even farther from the body and repeat the process. Now some of you might feel uncomfortable as we start opening up the elbows, so just choose an optimal dosage for you, and with time you all will be able to keep the elbows almost perpendicular to the body line and then perform this exercise. Doing this is going to activate the muscles which help you to protract the shoulder and thereby helping in relaxing the muscles of the back of your spine. And you will see that this doesn't bother you anymore and it becomes painless and comfortable. Do try this and let us know your valuable feedback. See you all in our next video. Till then, keep learning, keep sharing, and stay connected.